How many squares of length 2 centimeters would cover a rectangle measuring 8 by 14? So you'd have your rectangle, that is 8 by 14, so 8 and then 14, and you want to know how many squares that are of length 2, so 2 by 2 square looks like so. So to find out how many squares there would be overall, you could figure out how many would fit up the side, how many 2's go into 8, so 8 divided by 2 is 4, and then how many squares would fit along the bottom, how many times does 2 fit into 14, so 14 divided by 2 equals 7. So if this rectangle was laid with tiles that were 2 by 2, you'd have 7 tiles and you'd have 4 rows of 7 tiles. So altogether you would have 7 times 4, which is 28. The other way to do that question would be that the area of the square that's 2 by 2 is 4. The area of the whole thing is 14 by 8, which is 80 and 32, 112. And then you'd see how many times would 4 divide into 112, and the answer for that is 28 as well. Okay, so 112 divided by 4 equals 28.